In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Surveymonkey survey live. Whether you're conducting market research, gathering customer feedback, or simply collecting opinions, making your survey live is a crucial step to start collecting responses. Let's dive in and make sure your survey is ready to be shared with the world. First, you'll want to navigate to surveymonkey.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a range of options. Focus on finding the All Surveys section. This is where you'll find every survey you've created or have been given access to. Click on All Surveys to get a comprehensive list of your projects. Now that you're in the list of surveys, take a moment to locate the specific survey you want to make live. Once you've found it, click on Edit Survey. This will bring you to the editing interface where you can make any last-minute changes or adjustments to your questions, design, and settings before going live. It's always a good idea to give your survey a final review to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with your survey, look towards the top left of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Publish Survey. Clicking this button is what takes your survey from draft to live status, making it ready to share with respondents. The Publish button is your gateway to starting the data collection process. So take a deep breath and go ahead and click it. After your survey is published, you'll be prompted with options to share it. The simplest way to distribute your survey is by clicking Copy Link. This generates a unique URL that you can share via email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. Simply clicking the Copy Link button puts the URL on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it. But if you're looking for different ways to distribute your survey, SurveyMonkey offers a variety of options. Just below the link, you'll find an option labeled More Ways to Send. Clicking this provides additional distribution methods, such as email invitations, social media sharing, or embedding the survey on a website. Exploring these options can help you reach your target audience more effectively, depending on where they're most likely to engage with your content. And there you have it. Your SurveyMonkey survey is now live and ready to collect responses. Remember, sharing your survey effectively is just as important as crafting it. So take advantage of the diverse sharing options available to you. This simple guide has shown you how to make your survey live, ensuring you're prepared to gather the valuable insights you need. Happy surveying, and may your data be plentiful and insightful.